Hey guys, so today we are going to learn how to write an equation in point-slope form. We already know how to write equations in slope-intercept form and standard form, so today we're just going to learn another way to write a line. So the equation is y minus y1 equals m parentheses x minus x1, where your m represents your slope, your y1 and x1 represent a specific point on the line. So let's take a look here. So they tell you in point slope form, so that is this form right here, you're going to write an equation of the line that passes through the point -6, 1 with a slope of 2/3. Well, the first thing I always like to do is write down my original equation. So it's y minus y1 equals m parentheses x minus x sub 1. And I got this equation just from up here. I just rewrote it down here. The next thing I know is I know in a point my x always comes before my y. I also know my slope is represented by the letter m. So my next step is to rewrite this equation, but instead of my y1, I'm going to include my y part of my point. So y minus 1. Instead of m, I'm going to include my slope, which is 2/3. Instead of my x1, I'm going to include my x, which is a -6. And do not forget that you are subtracting and you're plugging in a -6. So you have two negatives next to each other, which we know if we do stay, change, those become positive. So therefore, our new equation is y minus 1 equals 2/3 parentheses x plus 6. So this is how you write an equation in point slope form. So go ahead and try 1, 2, and 3 on your own, and then we'll go over them in class. Just remember the x in your point always comes before your y. So maybe go ahead and label those for 2 and 3. Try them on your own, we'll go over them in class. Okay, example 2. Now we are going to write an equation in slope-intercept form. So the first thing I'm going to do is we know how to find slope by looking at 2 points. And if you recall, we have to label them x1, y1, x2, y2. So we know in order to find slope from 2 points, I have to label it as y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So my y2 is a -2, my y1 is a 4, x2 is 5, x1 is 2, -6 over 3, which gives me a -2. So my slope, I'm going to erase these little dots, is a -2. Okay, so now I figured out my slope, but now I don't really know what my y-intercept is because neither of these points is my y-intercept. So I'm going to use my point slope formula from the problem before in order to figure out what my y-intercept is. So y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. So I'm just going to use my first point right here. So my y stays put, but my y1 is 4. My slope we already said was -2. X minus my x1, which we said was 2. Distribute my 2 because I wanted in slope-intercept form. So -2, we're going to distribute. -2 times x is a -2x. -2 times -2 is a +4. Add 4 to both sides. And you are left with, oops, I'm going to put that in a different color. Y equals -2x plus 8. So that is your final answer. That is in slope-intercept form. We had to first find the slope using 2 points. We then had to use point slope form in order to then rearrange it into slope intercept form. So now if I were to ask you what is the slope of the line, you would say -2, and then the y-intercept would be a +8 or 0, 8. So go ahead, try 4 and 5 on your own. Remember, x1, y1, x2, y2. This is your first step. And then go ahead and continue finding your slope. And then, so that's your first step. And then your second step is your point slope formula. And then your final step is your third step, which is your simplified slope intercept form.